Hi, today I'm for review Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Then you'll see here ringtone volume panel, and just to change ringtone volume push a slide to the left or to the right side this dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just press up or down volume button, then click to the three dots, and to change ringtone volume you should also slide to the left or to the right side this dot, and then to save the changes just you should click to done. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.